Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Tarisha Febliandi. I will explain essay about global warming. Global warming is the increase in the average temperature of the earth due to natural and man-made causes over a long period of time. Global warming has become a significant problem that requires urgent treatment. One of the most immediate effects of global warming is the rapid increase in temperature across the globe causing extreme weather conditions. Due to global warming, a lot of damage that can be caused not only one, but can reach all structures that are on Earth itself. Look at global issues generally on the environment and the depletion of the ozone layer. So that it is the responsibility of the inhabitants of the Earth to prevent or slow down global warming. Therefore, this essay explains that human activities are largely the cause of global warming, and also have an important role in the initial effort of global warming. Global warming is not a national problem, but a global problem. According to NASA, it is very clear that generally human activities are related to greenhouse gas emissions that lead to the issues of global warming. Without us realizing it, many human activities can cause global warming. The accumulation of greenhouse gases include water vapor, carbon dioxide, and sulfur dioxide. These gases absorb and reflect back the wave radiation emitted by the Earth, and consequently the heat will be stored on the Earth's surface. Excessive greenhouse gases trap heat and not allowing it to escape the atmosphere. If this situation persists, Earth's average annual temperature is increasing. Volcanic eruptions are also responsible for global warming. This eruption releases tons of carbon dioxide, contributing to global warming. In addition, methane is also a big problem that is responsible for global warming. The excessive use of cars and the burning of fossil fuels result in increased levels of carbon dioxide. Livestock rearing and mining are also harmful to the environment. Deforestation is one of the most common problems that occurs most rapidly. Therefore, when the source of carbon dioxide absorption is greatest, the trees disappear and there is nothing left to regulate the gas. Humans are involved in activities that lead to the destruction of the world forest. Activities such as burning charcoal, clearing land for agriculture, and overstocking make the land barren. So, this has a serious impact on the environment because trees contribute to cleaning the water. Humans have contributed to the cause of environmental pollution which ultimately causes global warming. There are several activities carried out by humans that cause increased emission. For example, the use of motorized vehicles. The exhaust system of the car causes the emission of carbon dioxide, which causes the accumulation of gas into the atmosphere. Using multiple household devices that contribute to the release of greenhouse gases. These are appliances such as air conditioner. However, the greatest contribution that humans have to this problem is through industrial processes. Humans are involved in various processes that lead to the accumulation of gases into the atmosphere. The bad effect of these activities for plant and animal life on Earth are changes in weather patterns that affect land productivity, threaten animals' habitats such as polar bear, and also interfere with health, as well as threat the human themselves. Therefore, humans must find a way to solve the problem because it has a very serious impact. Earth's average temperature has increased 1 degree Fahrenheit since the Industrial Revolution. While it might not seem that big, studies have shown that large amount of snow don't fall with every small rise in temperature. Solving global warming may be difficult, but not impossible. It can be controlled even if it is not stopped with the combined effort of everyone. The balance of nature has existed for quite a long time. Human activities have caused the balance to be disturbed. So, humans are the problem. Since man knows the problem, he can also be the solution by implementing measures to restore the balance that has been broken. There are various ways to deal with this. For example, using cars that have engine for 5 wheels, utilization thereby reducing emission and pollution levels, reforming industry to be environmentally friendly, finding ways to detoxify gases released from industrial chimneys before they are released into the atmosphere. And the use of renewable energy can also help reduce emissions, so it can maintain the ecological balance. People argue that humans are fully responsible for global warming. However, there is a natural cause of global warming. For example, there is a volcanic eruption that causes a rise in temperature over which it is impossible for humans to have control over the activity of the volcano. There are also other factors such as water vapor, which every day around the world evaporates into vapor that has accumulated in the atmosphere and contributes to global warming. It is also impossible for humans to have control over this because they do not have the means to control it, and also on the cycle of the sun and cosmic rays working together to bring about an overall global warming effect. This mechanism of action is also beyond human control. Therefore, human responsibility for controlling global warming is only the causes caused by human activities themselves. In conclusion, global warming is caused by many things, and the most frequently found are due to excessive human activities such as the use of fuels that are not environmentally friendly, throwing garbage, industrial factories, felling trees, and so on. In addition to human activities, global warming is also caused by volcanic eruption and water vapor. To overcome and prevent global warming requires human awareness of the importance of the environment. So far, the community is great, but there is a simple thing that has been forgotten, namely caring for the environment. However, it can be achieved with a simple living concept to reduce the things that cause environmental damage. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.